Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Cervantez, eHomes, here doing a market update for the month of February for the city of Covina. So, a lot of great information. Let's go ahead and jump into it. In Covina, for currently that's available on the market, we have 26 homes for sale. So 26 homes for sale compared to this time last year, it's actually pretty even. Last year we had 29 homes. This year's 26, so I would say it's close enough. 64 homes that are currently in escrow. Again, year over year, it's about the same. Last year we had 67 homes for sale. This year's 64. So those are two pretty interesting indicators, because I would have assumed that both the active homes and the pending homes would have been lower due to the limited supply of inventory. But we're going to get on to that next. So now, closed properties. So in the last month, we've had 37 homes sell in all of Covina. So 37 homes with an average days on market of 17, a median days of market, which is 7. But if we compare the 37 homes that sold in the last month compared to last year, it was 46 homes that sold last year during the same period of time. So we have a pretty significant drop in the total amount of closings. That's going to be correlated with the lack of inventory. There's just, quite frankly, not enough homes out there to meet the demand. So I think it's not the market falling apart. It's more so in Covina, there just aren't enough homes for sale for all the buyers that are out there. So homes are actually selling a little bit faster in the last month than they were the same period last year. They're selling about 3 days faster than they were last year. So last year, the average days on market was about 20 days. So now we're at 17. So let's talk year over year. So in Covina, year over year, we've had a almost 20% appreciation in the median price. So to be specific, it's 19.8% year over year. That's a massive amount of growth. I don't foresee it happening again this year. If you watch some of my previous videos, my other market updates, Zillow came out with a revised number of 16 to 20. So, I mean, it's for sellers, that's a good thing, right? If you're looking to sell your home, we have really, really strong demand, or strong activity. For buyers, it's really, really rough, because if you were looking at one price this time last year, there's no way you're going to be able to buy that same house this year. So, which is pretty frustrating. The median price range in all of Covina right now is $742,500. So that's the median. 50% of the homes that are selling above that, 50% of the homes are selling below $742,500. And as of right now, we have just a little bit over 2 weeks of inventory for the entire city. So that's really, really low. So let's talk about the highest and the lowest sales in all of Covina in the last month. So let's start with the highest, 2686 Palomino Drive. So that's right there off of Holt and Grand Avenue, little gated community just south of the 10 freeway. This one actually sold off market. So I have a lot of thoughts about homes selling off market, which we can talk about at another time. But basically, this thing sold for $1,725,000. It was a 6-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom house, about a little bit over 3,000 square feet, built in 1995 with over an acre, almost an acre and a quarter, basketball court, pool. Aerial shot looks awesome, but because it's sold off market, can't really see any pictures within the house. So now the lowest sale was one of the condos right there off of Cienega and Grand. Those big 3-story looking condos. This was a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 850 square feet. It was listed at $330,000, and it actually sold for $345,000. So $15,000 more than the asking price. I coincidentally happened to walk through the unit when I was looking for another client for another condo there, and it was pretty beat up. So the fact that they sold it $15,000 above the asking price and it was beat up, good for them. That was a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. And just to kind of give you the comparison, there's another 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom in there right now that's pending in escrow for about $400,000. So almost $50,000 more than this one. So that's about it. I mean, if you have any questions about what's going on in the market in Covina or any city for that matter here in Southern California, all my contact information is below. If you would like to know more about your particular situation and how these numbers will affect your situation, reach out. I'd be happy to talk. No obligation. You can reach out to me via phone, email, whatever works best for you, and we can book something even on Zoom if you prefer. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.